Interior Cabinet Secretary Kithure Kindiki has called on politicians across the country to refrain from politicizing the ongoing government efforts aimed at curbing illicit alcohol, narcotic, drugs and psychotropic substances trade in the country, saying that the law enforcement matter and it is not a political issue. Kindiki, who on Wednesday toured the coastal region, says the government is working to enhance capacity of the Kenyan Coast Guard and the Kenyan Navy for effective patrol of the country's territorial waters.
Mombasa, Interior Cabinet Secretary Kithure Kindiki visited the Miritini Drug Treatment and Rehabilitation Center, which is being renovated at a cost of 1.3 billion shillings.
We are also thinking as a ministry, those patients who are fully treated and they have the proper skills, we're going to establish a small fund to give them startup capital to go back home and start being productive again.
The CS used the opportunity to caution those politicizing the government's crackdown of illicit brews consumption, drug and substance abuse.
I've asked our brothers and sisters who are politicians to keep off this matter. It's a law enforcement matter. And leave the law enforcement agencies of the state to do their mandate. It's not a political issue. We are not in a political process of either punishing or rewarding anybody.
In Kilifi County, Kindiki announced that the national government will cater for transport expenses for the families that have been cleared to move the bodies of their loved ones from Malindi Sub-County Mortuary.
The national government will support the families that are unable to transport their loved ones so that they can bury the remains decently. We will support them to be able to transport their loved ones.
He further said the government will use part of Chakama Ranch, where the Shakahola massacre occurred, to bury unidentified bodies and build a memorial park.